Hi Brenda. I'm finally trying to get caught up on the poolside video here, and I found a place where I'm stuck, and it's only on the third video from last week. So here I am. I'm trying to import the time-lapse video or the time-lapse images here. So I go to import, and I can get to the folder I need to, and your instructions state, click on the first image. But there's no options that like what you're using a Mac, I'm using a PC. So however, there is this image sequence checkbox here, but there's no ability to import the folder. So I'm kind of stuck here. I've kind of gone back and I've putzed around with things. I've tried highlighting all the images, but then image sequence can no longer be checked, and it doesn't help. So here's where I'm stuck, and I'm hoping you can help.